5 Evernote tips to organize your life. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 Evernote tips to organize your life like a pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Tip 1. Use notebooks for categories. Start by creating separate notebooks for each area of your life, like work, personal, travel, or learning. This way, your notes stay grouped and it's easier to access what you need without scrolling endlessly. Tip 2. Use tags to cross-reference. Add tags to your notes for even better organization. For example, a work meeting note can be tagged as urgent, project A, and meeting. Tags let you find connected content across notebooks quickly. Tip 3. Create a dashboard note. Make OneNote your main dashboard. Add links to your top notebooks, checklists, calendar events, or even weekly goals. This becomes your control center to keep your day on track. Tip 4. Use templates. Don't reinvent the wheel. Use Evernote's built-in templates for things like meeting notes, habit trackers, or daily planners. You can even customize your own and reuse them easily. Tip 5. Set reminders for notes. Add reminders to important notes so you never miss deadlines or appointments. It's perfect for following up on tasks, bills, or goals you've written down. That's all for the video. Try these tips and let Evernote help you stay organized and stress-free.